Hello students. Today we shall learn about forms of noun, singular or plural. Noun denoting one person, place or thing are called singular nouns or are said to be in singular form. Nouns denoting more than one person, place or thing are called plural nouns. We have discussed last time about this. Some nouns form their plurals by changing inner vowels. For example, foot, pit. Foot, measure of length, 1 foot. Or organ, 1 foot. Foot, pit, double O turns into double E. Foot, pit. Like that. Goose, giz. Goose is a bird. GOOSE, plural, more than one, geese. GEES, double O turns into double E for plural. Like that, tooth, one tooth, more than one teeth. man, changes into plural, MEN, though the pronunciation remains same. Man, MAN, one man, man, so many men were crowded together on the road. That is MEN. Pronunciation remains same, but the spelling differs from MAN singular to MEN plural. Like that, woman, WOMAN, the pronunciation of female form WOMAN, woman. Here we have plural WOMEN, women. Woman, women mark the difference of pronunciation. Here, mouse, mice. MOUSE turns into MICE. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Similarly, louse, lice. Lice is the plural form of louse. There are some names forming their plurals as ox, one ox, more than one oxen. Child, one child, more than one child. Children, one child was standing near taxi. Many children were playing in the garden. So child, singular name, children, plural name. Some nouns have same form for singular or plural. Some nouns have same form either for singular or for plural. DEER, deer, an animal. More than one, deer. Deer, one deer. Many deer, many deer. Sheep, another animal. More than one sheep. Many sheep were grazing in grass. Like that, fish. One fish was swimming in water. The fisherman collected many fish. But if we talk about different types of Animal fish, we do make it plural by FISH, yes, fishes. But collected together in a collection of many fish, we take the same form, fish for one or fish for more than one. Same is the case with fruit. Apple is a fruit. She bought lot of fruit for breakfast. So many fruits together in a form of collection, we use same form for plural fruit. But when we talk about different types of fruit, we do make plural form fruits. So collected together, plural is fruit, remains fruit the same. Collected together, plural form fish remains same. Hare, one hare. Single hare, hair. Hair of that woman is lovely. So collected together, hair remains same. But if we talk about different type of hairs, we do make plural by adding s. For example, black hair, white hair. There are some people in the world with red hairs. There are also some people in European countries with golden shaded hairs. So hair of different types we can make plural hairs, but collected together hair. The hair of that woman is really lovely. Like that we use the same word hair for plural. Now certain names are used only in plurals. There are certain names which are used only in plurals. The point to note is that they are some sort of paired structures. For example, scissors, which one part it cannot work. So it needs two parts. Scissors, it is always used in plural. One part of that instrument cannot work as scissor. So scissors is always used in plural. Trousers is also always used in plural. Now it is bifurcated at bottom. So there are two parts at bottom, like two parts of scissor. Tongs. Tongs means to hold some vessel, pair of tongs. They are paired structures. Parents. Parents are always pair, father and mother. So it is always used in plural. Spectacles. Two spectacles. Spectacles are also used in plural always. Pants and shorts, because they are double in structure at bottom, the names are always used in plural. It cannot be singular. Socks and drawers are also the names always used in plurals. They cannot be used in singular form. Now there are some nouns which are used only in singular, though they show some sort of collection. For example, furniture. Furniture is a collection like fruit. But furniture, the name is only used in singular. A good furniture was arranged for a new flat, like that. Furniture is used in singular, though there are many articles, tables, showcases, drawers, tea tables. News. Though news appears to be plural with S, but it is always used in singular. So many news together, singular news. No news is a good news. That is the proverb we very often speak about. So news, though it appears to be something like plural, but it is used in singular. Scenery. Scenery. The scenery is good. There may be so many things in a scenery, but the whole scenery is taken as a singular name. Advice. Advice. Many points about something, advice, advice, used in singular. Like that, information. Information may be so many things, so many topics, so many points, so many facts. Together, we call information. The information about the thief was collected by police, like that. Information is the name used in singular. Luggage. There may be many articles in luggage when we go from one place, one town to another town, luggage that we carry with us. So, luggage may be many articles, bags, baggages. The luggage name is used in singular. Machinery. There may be so many machines grouped together. The machinery in the factory was brand new machinery. So many machines together, but the name machinery is used in singular. Now, there are some names which are though plural in form, but they are commonly used as singular. Mark it well. Here are some names which appear to be plural in form, but they are generally or commonly used in singular. These are some names of science or study things. For example, physics, statistics, mathematics, politics, athletics, gymnastics, social studies. These are all the names that are plural in form, but they are commonly used in singular sense. Measles and mumps. Measles is a name of a disease like typhoid. Mumps is also the name of a disease. In mumps there is a swelling in the cheeks. Mumps. Generally, both cheeks, left and right, get swelled, inflamed in mumps. And that disease, mumps, is taken in singular. Thus, we have discussed various forms of singular names and plural names. Dear students, try to learn them, try to practice them, use them in discussion and speaking, and form proper habits of speaking. Thanks.